Are you craving for ice cream just like me? But worrying about your keto diet? Don't you worry guys, We Coders Cookbook got you sorted. Here we are with the amazing recipe of keto chocolate ice cream. Let us quickly go through the ingredients. Since we are planning on making chocolate ice cream, we will take sugar-free dark chocolate, high-fat cream, unsalted butter, and finally stevia to add sweetness to our ice cream. We will start by pouring high-fat cream in a pan. Here I am taking 250 ml of high-fat cream. To this I am going to add 50 grams of dark chocolate. And now to increase the fat content of our ice cream, we will add 20 grams of unsalted butter to it. Remember guys, this step is very important if you don't want any crystals in your ice cream. Now we will heat the mixture at low flame till everything mixes completely. Till I am mixing it, please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Once it's mixed just like this, we will switch off the gas because we do not want to burn the cream. After that, we are going to add few drops of hazelnut essence. This is total optional guys, you can totally omit it. And now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of stevia. Remember guys, this is my personal choice. I am using stevia. You can choose sweetener of your choice. You can use erythritol, allulose, whatever you want to. At this point, you can just taste the mix and adjust the sweetness as per your taste. After adding sweetener, make sure to mix it thoroughly. Once done, your ice cream will look just like this. Here I am adding semi-sweet chocolate chips to our ice cream. At this point, you can totally play with the flavor. If you want to add some almonds, walnuts or pecans, you can add it to the mix. Finally, we are going to transfer ice cream to the mason jars and will freeze it overnight. Trust me guys, this ice cream is life savior when you are on a keto diet. It will totally soothe your taste buds and will prevent any unnecessary cravings. And at the same time, since it's made up of cream which is high in fat, it will also complete your macros. So it's a win-win situation guys, as we are reducing waste without compromising on our taste. Time to fill our second mason jar. 250 ml of high-fat cream is sufficient to serve 2 people. Finally, it's time to freeze our ice cream for at least 8 to 10 hours. See you in the morning. Welcome back guys, and see, our yummy keto ice cream is ready. Look at the beautiful texture guys. No signs of any crystals. Trust me, once you have this ice cream, you will forget all the ice cream that you buy from the market. Keto or no keto, this ice cream is a must try. But if you are on a keto diet just like us and craving for some ice cream, do try this recipe and tag us on our Insta handle @coders.cookbook. We hope you like this video. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. Also let us know in the comment section that which ice cream flavor is your favorite. We love to hear from you guys. And if you want the recipe of any particular ice cream, do let us know in the comments so that we can bring that to you. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in next video.